Let's unbox a Technics SL-1200GR. Here is what's included in the box. A rubber slip mat, manuals, the platter, phono cables, a power cable, counterweights, the head shell, a few various accessories, and finally, the turntable itself and the dust cover. To assemble, step 1, install the platter. Step 2, install the counterweight. Step 3, attach the head shell with your phono cartridge. Here we've installed a Soundsmith Carmen on ours. At Overture we keep multiple cartridges on these detachable head shells to make it easy for customers to audition a wide variety of phono cartridges. Step 4, finishing touches. Adding your slip mat and your dust cover. It's time to connect. You'll find your RCA connections and ground underneath the turntable as well as your power connection. Then set it up and enjoy.